Good morning, everybody. My name is Kimmy, and that's my dog Lincoln, and welcome to today's video. Alright guys, so we need to run out to the shop for my parents because they need stuff, so yeah, this is shop. Yeah, go. Yeah, so let's continue our day. Alright, you can see the cabinet behind me. You know it's all gonna fall. I'm gonna open it anyway, I guess. So I caught him. Alright guys, that took a little bit, but it's all cleaned up, all put away. She snuck that up on me. I wasn't ready for that. She just snuck that right up. Oh, thank you. Alright guys, I'm blurry, hang on. Alright guys, back in the car again. I'm taking this beast right here to go play with some of her friends. So we're gonna go have fun at the park. You wanna go park? You wanna go to the park? Yeah? Park? Park, okay. My blurry. There we go. So it is official, my dog is the wimpiest dog at the dog park. There are two dogs here, mine and her, another one, and she is such a wimp. Tired. She is covered in drool. Lincoln, hi. I think that is a successful day at the dog park. She is exhausted. Look at all that drool. She's gonna need a bath when we get home now. I spent the last 3 hours on the phone with a bill company, and it turned out it was all a screw up on their end, so bad billing company. Glad it's all fixed, but they screwed up, and then yeah, so that was a really long phone call. Like It's amazing how long billing companies take. Like when you call them and you're like, oh yeah, I think something screwed up and blah 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 blah, and then they just, oh, let me put you on hold, oh, let me put you on hold. It's like, oh, okay. And then 3 hours later you're still on hold. You're like, come on. And then they're like, oh wait, that was a mistake on our end. But it's all fixed, so yay! Alright guys, we're about to take this bad boy out and go take some photos of my father's car, because he's decided that, his old car, he's decided he doesn't need it anymore, so we're gonna go take some photos for him to be able to sell it. Fun! Hey dude, are you hungry? Do you want some food? Do you want some food? Why are you looking so sad? You want some food? It's her dinner time, so. Sit down. Good girl. Look at you being all good. Okay. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a huge thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload. My name is Kimmy, and this is Lincoln, and we are saying good night. Say good night. Say good night. Bye guys.